Hey guys, I have something a little different for you today. I downloaded the tab for Arkansas Traveler from Brainjo website, and unfortunately I was really annoyed to find that the tab doesn't actually match the video. So there's some bits that I kept rewriting to sort of match and sort of just make it a little easier. But anyway, I'm not entirely happy with it, but and those are at the repeat, and then the da 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 da. You'll see probably when I mess up. But anyway, I am really lazy about changing my tuning. So now that I'm in this tuning with this capo, and my old capo doesn't fit this neck really well, so I'm gonna have to order a new one. Yeah, so I haven't, after switching, I haven't gone back and worked on Cold Frosty Morning. But okay, so here is Arkansas Travelers in double D tuning, capo to A. So. Okay, that part. Okay, so it still needs work. I guess I probably practiced, my timer's on my phone. I think about 5 hours this week, mostly on this. It should be better by now, but anyway, let's see what I'm up to next week. I may switch back to Cold Frosty Morning. I really want to get a clean memorized take of that one. Well, great. Till then, bye.